Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable the noise suppression on Discord. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now go to your account. Place on settings. Now scroll down. Now click on voice. Again scroll down. Here you can see the option of noise suppression. If you want to enable this, you have to select your crisp option. That's it. So this is how to enable the noise suppression on Discord. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.